We all know that Chinese New Year was a few weeks ago, and I think this one still counts, right? Right? Hey, what's up, beards many greasers alike? Welcome to another episode of Beards and Stuff. And today we have another limited edition from the Boar Grooming Co. And to tell you honestly, I had the product was with me 6 months ago already. You probably seen it on my Facebook post, Instagram post. If you're with me since the beginning of time, the beginning of this channel, the channel is already 1 year old. And anyway, like I was saying, I've had this product for quite some time now. Eman of the Boar sent me not just the pomade but also the beard oil. And just like that, I just want to say thank you to the Boar Grooming Co. and Eman, of course, for sending these out to me so I can check it out. Well, I've been checking his product out for quite some time now, so I think this is proper time for me to do it. And this pomade right here that I'm gonna be talking about with you is a limited edition, just like I've said. And this is a Chinese zodiacal inspired release. Year of the Boar. So Year of the Boar was last year, and this pomade was released on the in February of last year. And like I was saying, I didn't feel like reviewing the pomade yet that time because it was in the middle of the year, and Chinese New Year was on the first quarter of the year, so that's kind of a bit off if I did so. And now, if you think about it, like I've said in the beginning of the video, it's been a couple of weeks, but I think it's still counted to review Chinese New Year or Chinese inspired Chinese New Year inspired product release. And if you think about it, the brand name is the Boar Grooming Co. and last year was Year of the Boar. Last year would probably be the Boar Grooming Co.'s year, as you might say. Since then, they've released another flagship pomade, but that's all good for now. We'll just save it for future videos. And before I move along further, in addition to the inspiration of the product, according to Eman himself, the brewer and the owner of the brand name and the company, the Boar Grooming Co., in relation to this limited release, as far as he remembered, he formulated this one medium hold, since the hype on pomades last year was solely focused on firm and heavy holds, and he wanted to prove that medium hold still exists. And furthermore, according to Eman, what makes his limited product release special, it's because he added hemp powder and dragon fruit powder into the product. He incorporated those ingredients because those ingredients are very beneficial for the scalp. Same goes with the clay that was used, the bentonite clay, which cleans, detoxifies, purifies your scalp of the dirt and impurities and whatnot, and probably the non-essential stuffs without drying or getting rid too much of the natural oils that are being produced by your scalp. And now we'll see what the rest of the product has to offer. And so the YOTB, or Year of the Boar, is a Chinese New Year release that is 2019 exclusive brew only. And you'll get this product in a 50-gram gold tin can, but it's not actually gold. That'll be hell expensive. And looking at the top side, some very Chinese-y kinda artwork. And you're probably wondering what those words mean, but to say the least, I didn't really figure that out the first time I saw it. But the closer you look, the less you'll see. You should take a look at the whole picture. So it says right there on the side of the boar, and on the right side 2019, and on the left side TBG Co. And on the center, it's a nice illustration of a pig. And at the bottom, you get the rest of the product information, such as hold, shine, and ingredients. And the scent, yes, the scent. And you're probably wondering why I put random in there, like what 10 cents? It's because this particular brew has 10 random scents. And what I got is as far as I can make out of it, it seems to me like it's a dragon fruit scent, if you know what I mean. Yeah, dragon fruit. That's what I can pick up, and it smells very nice. I like it. It's very fruity. It's very natural. It doesn't smell like it's. Yeah, it doesn't smell anything like artificial. Like I've said, it smells very natural. If I can eat this, I'd eat it, you know. And when getting this product, you'll probably wonder what scent you'll get, because it's like a mystery, right? Like a fortune cookie. You don't know what you'll get, but we all know that fortune cookie didn't originate in China. So anyway, I can compare this to a fortune cookie. That's how interesting this is. And taking a look inside, as you can see, the product looks thick, creamy, smooth, very nice consistency, also very nice color, very custard-like. Looks very retro, if you know what I mean. And also it looks very natural. And scooping the product out, it's very easy. It's like a balm. It's a little greasy, but not too tacky. And on your palms, it's very smooth. It's slick, and it's very easy to spread around the palms. And with how smooth it is, I don't feel any grits or bits of clay in there. And also it has some nice sheen on it. And there you go, you've got a little bit of idea of what the product is all about. And one thing left for me to do is to apply and style my hair. So just wait right there and watch this. Oh hey, we're back. You're back. So well, with the application, I didn't have any trouble or anything like that. Everything was smooth, and the styling, it's a breeze, as I might describe it. Also with that, I didn't experience any trouble or anything like that. No tugs and pulls. It's very slick, It's you know, a little bit greasy because it's an oil-based pomade, clay pomade to be exact, and a little bit of tackiness, of course, as to be expected. But then overall, yeah, I didn't experience any discomfort or anything like that, something that would turn me off. And so what I like about YOTB, or Year of the Boar, yeah, clay pomade, is it's an oil-based pomade. I've always been a fan of oil-based pomades, either a regular pomade or clay, but this one right here is a medium hold. The first time I tried it, or before I tried it, I was kind of skeptic, and I wasn't really expecting much, but then just by that first impression, I was very surprised and very impressed. I didn't think that this was medium hold at all. I think they kind of underrate, something like that, to a medium hold. But the more you use it, the more stronger the hold gets, and that's what really excited me, and what gave me the impression that this one right here is yeah, this is a good product. And the least thing I can say about this product is probably just because it's a limited edition, and we don't know if there ever gonna be any rebrew or something like that, or maybe just change the package, or you know, make it into a flagship product. But we don't know what what the future holds for this brand, right? And that's just probably it with the least thing that I don't like about the product. No, that's not actually the product with the product or something like that. It's what's, you know, associated with the product, I guess. But all is good. I like everything about it. The scent, especially the scent, is very natural. If you like fruity scents, then this one, yeah, I don't know if there's still a lot of stocks left, but I've seen a few, so grab yours now. I don't know what scent what scent you'd get, but yeah, that'd be kind of cool. So there you go. The hold is great. Yeah, I'll say that the hold is great, even though it's advertised or marketed as a medium hold. But overall, I think it's more of a firm to strong hold. And I used 3 full scoops for this, as what I would normally use, and I'm pretty satisfied with it. You know, the hold, yeah, endurance, no problem at all. And restyling, yeah, you can go all the way, all day, yeah. You've got ease of application, you've got ease of styling, you've got ease of restyling, you've got great scent. What else? It's a clay pomade. If you're into that, it's oil-based. Great build-up, very clean build-up. And the more you get that build-up day after day, yeah, the stronger the hold gets. Also, before I forgot, one thing that I kind of taken aback with the oil-based pomades is right after shower, if you want to keep that build up, is the amount of time to rid of the water on your hair, to dry it, not with a towel, because the grease will just, you know, you just wipe the grease off. So it's probably useful if you have a blow dryer. It'll be faster. Just set it on warm, not the max output, just a little bit of heat would suffice, you know, just to get rid of the moisture, and then you're good to go. And if you have a curly, wavy, stubborn, unruly hair like mine, then oil-based pomades should probably your go-to. Maybe start with something firm or anything like that. and yeah, see how it goes. And don't forget to check this one out from your local resellers out there. If you're concerned about the washout, then I think if you're not used to using oil-based pomades, then this is probably a tip for you. This one right here would wash off or if you use a few rounds of shampoo, like your minimum 3 rounds of shampoo, and probably throw in some conditioner after that. And I know most of you guys out there are scared of using oil-based pomade, but to tell you the truth, it's the closest thing you'll get to a slicker, shinier, let's say just a sheen, if you want that like classic feel, yeah, that 80s 90s greasy grease head look, then go for an oil-based pomade. And there you go. That's it. This is my review of the Boar Grooming Co. 2019 Year of the Boar Clay Pomade exclusive limited product release. And if you want to know more about the brand and their products, I'll just leave a link in the description box down below of their social media accounts, and you can check them out. Yeah, right. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you're new here, make sure you do so, and turn on that notification bell to get the latest updates on the newest videos every time I get to upload one. And that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic, hairtastic YouTube channel to date. To date. To date. To date. To date. I'm Luigi and you're watching Beards and Stuff.